Welcome to this quick tutorial on using edit mode in iTaleem. In iTaleem, edit mode, which is at this position, allows lecturers to easily switch between viewing the course and editing it. Here is how it works. Currently, the edit mode is off. You will see the course as how your student would see it. You cannot make any changes to the activities or the course content. I cannot add activities such as quiz, assignment, or I cannot even customize the page. Now, when edit mode is on by toggling this button, you can add, remove, or modify the course content. This allows you to organize your course, add new resources, and make updates easily. For example, if you want to add activity or resource, you can simply click this link. From here, you can add activities such as assignment, attendance, chat, checklist, or you can also add resources such as file, the link to a URL, a page, and many more. I can also add blog to customize the course page, such as to include about us page, blog style, card style, events, and many more. Edit mode helps you to manage your course efficiently and ensure your students get the best experience. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more quick iTaleem tips.